In older construction, foundations were rigid and fixed directly to the ground. During earthquakes, the ground moves violently.
Earlier buildings failed because they fought the earthquake. These isolators separate the building from the ground, allowing movement without damage.
Older buildings were designed to stay still. That rigidity caused them to crack and collapse. These allow movement.
Module 7 deployed. Initiating pressure test sequence.
In the past, engineers could only guess how buildings behave during earthquakes. Today, sensors and AI track every... Old buildings fail because they transfer earthquake energy directly into their structure. This building survives because robots built it to move. After an earthquake, traditional buildings are unsafe to enter. This structure recenters itself automatically.
Material efficiency is up 3% on Sector Gamma.
Good. Let's optimize the crane schedule for the next phase.
Robotic construction doesn't just save time, it saves lives. When earthquakes hit, the real cost is measured in human safety, not concrete.
The strongest buildings don't feel strong ride. They feel calm. This is what safety feels like.
The future of construction isn't stronger buildings, it's smarter ones.
Most cities already exist. Tearing them down isn't realistic. Robots allow us to upgrade old buildings without evacuating entire neighborhoods.
All green. The core materials absorb the stress as expected.
That's a successful test. Earthquake safety doesn't belong only to new buildings. With robotics, entire cities can be upgraded faster than the next earthquake arrives.
Earthquakes can't be stopped. But with intelligence, precision, and robotics proven, their damage can be. Prepared state active.
In the past, buildings reacted only after the shaking began. Today, AI and robust structures to
Earthquakes don't need to be disasters. With intelligent systems, we can turn unpredictable forces into manageable events.
This is not construction for disasters. This is construction beyond them. In earthquakes, hospitals must not fail. Robotic construction ensures critical care continues when it's needed most.
Stay calm, everyone. The safety systems are working perfectly. Everything is secure.
When buildings survive, emergencies don't turn into disasters. Response becomes verification, not rescue.
The strongest cities aren't rebuilt after earthquakes. They keep living through them. We have a confirmed magnitude 7.2 near Tokyo.
The robots are analyzing the structural impact. Keep the green zones clear.
Disasters aren't caused by earthquakes. They're caused by outdated decisions. Technology already gives us a choice. This timeline for the citywide upgrades seems aggressive.
The projections confirm it is achievable within budget, Minister.
This isn't about futuristic cities. It's about decisions we can make now, before the next fault line moves.
Earthquakes are inevitable. Collapse is not.
Engineering isn't about fighting nature. It's about understanding it, Presa, and designing with respect.
The safest buildings won't be remembered for surviving earthquakes. They'll be remembered because no one noticed anything happened.